my channel. Today I will be doing another wig install, but this video is sponsored by Asteria hair. I have worked with them before, so they're not new to my channel. I'll link my previous collab with them somewhere on the screen, but yeah, I've worked with them before. I'm just gonna be showing you guys what they sent to me today. They sent me, this is the bag that the wig came in. It is HD lace. The cap size is medium, hair density 180%, 13 by 4, 24 inches, and I think this is Deepwave. Yeah, I think it's Deepwave. I'm just gonna be showing you guys what they sent to me, like accessory wise. Some stocking cap. I already have one on my head, so yeah. So they sent me some scarf, the headband, which I will be using because yeah, I'll be using it when I'm doing like my baby hair is melting and all of that. They sent me this headband, or elastic band I should say. They sent me another like elastic band that you could put inside the wig so it could give it like that extra security. They sent me the bag to put my wig in when I'm done wearing it, and some lashes. I don't really wear these lashes, but if you do, you'll get 2 pairs. Pairs up. But yeah, let me just show you guys the wig real quick. So this is the wig. This is how it's looking. I did go ahead and I bleached the knots and washed the hair, plucked it a little bit. This is how it's looking. This is the lace right here. It's HD like I said, so I'm happy for that. I don't know what I'm going to be doing with it, but yeah, this is how it's looking right now. But yeah, let's see what style comes up when I'm actually doing it. I don't know, but let's see. I forgot to show you guys the middle of the hair, the middle of the wig. This is how the inside is looking. As you can see, you get the full 13 by 4 parting space, like the entire part. It's not no, there's 4 in the middle and then 2 on the side. You actually get the full 13 by 4. It comes with the regular 3 combs, or actually, yeah, it comes with 2 combs here and then 1 here, and the adjustable straps at the back. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my installation, and if I need to say anything, it will probably just be in the voiceover like normal. But yeah,
when I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple blossoms, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple blossoms, go on pizza. They just don't belong.
guys, for this section I did put on my wig too fast. I should have waited for it to dry a little bit more clear, because I forgot that this was not a transparent lace and it was a very thin HD lace, and because it's thin it shows up everything. So if the glue is too white, it will show. If your ball cap method underneath is not fixed properly, it will show. Like that the side of my ball cap was moving a little bit and it showed because this lace was so thin. The thinner the lace is the thinner the lace is the better the what am I saying? The thinner the lace, the better the install will be. But you have to make sure your glue is dry clear, and you have to make sure your ball cap method is well proper underneath, okay? And we always want a thin lace. Thin lace equals skin like lace, so it's very much giving proper installs. So if you're supposed to order this here, please make sure your bucket method underneath is make sure you did it properly, or make sure the glue is dry clear. Like when I say clear, like no white residue, nothing. Make sure it's dry clear before applying it, and make sure to put it above your stocking cap and not directly on the stocking cap. It's best to put it on your skin. When the lace is so thin, just put the glue on your skin, melt the lace on your skin. It will show skin like. Do not put it on the stocking cap. Okay, so go a little bit above the stocking cap.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousand, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple thousand.
I'm kind of in a little dilemma right now. Yeah, I'm kind of in a little dilemma right now because I don't know what I want to do with my hair. But I really don't know what I want to do. I don't know what type of baby hair. It's like I'm kind of like blank. And also because I think I messed up the ball cap method underneath. So yeah.
Saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousand, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple thousand, go on pizza. They just don't belong. never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Honestly guys, this hair literally defines like smoothly. Like I had no problem defining the curls. Like when I'm doing it, I'm like, just by adding water alone, the curls were actually coming together. I don't know if you guys realize that, but just the water alone. And when I add the mousse, like look at this. This is pretty much the final look. I would like to thank Asteria here for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one.